What's up, guys? The kids want to raise hell upstairs, so I'm gonna go up there with this. Scare the shit out of them. I gotta get it to start first.
What the fuck are you doing? Fucking dick.
Until next time, see you in the future.